you guys, you have your mango, but you always end up throwing away that seed. We are not throwing it away this time because we're going to be making an oil from this seed. So you want to get your mango and you want to cut the mango. Now I found that when I put it in water and cut in water, I can easily cut it, but when I try and cut it the other way, I can't. So when you open up a mango, what you see is this amazing seed. Oh my goodness, this seed is powerful. This seed, you can actually consume it. You can actually use it for your body, for your skin. It has so many nutrients in your for your health. So you're gonna just take the seed and you are going to just peel off what is the residue on the side, all over the body. And you can even grind up this seed and put it in your yogurt and even make a juice from it, and even use it for your feminine parts to kind of tighten it. Yeah, you can. Okay, we're not going to talk about that today, but what I'm just doing is I'm just chopping up this seed into small bits, and I'm going to proceed to grinding it up. But I just want to really make it really fine. And have you subscribed? Okay, you have to subscribe. So we're gonna put it into my magic bullet. This magic bullet needs an award because it has been working overtime to bring you guys content. You guys have been seeing it so many times. Please check my description area so that you can see where I got it from. It is powerful. It is amazing. So I'm just going to blend it up and create it into this powdery form. Now this is the base. This is the base of what I'm going to be using to make my mango seed oil, make my mango butter. And this stuff right here, you can save it. So you just have to use a little bit of it, but it's this fine powder, and you can kind of see what it looks like. And this is the amazing stuff. It's filled with so many nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin E. It just has so many nutrients, copper. Oh my goodness, the list is on. So I'm going to just store it, and from this area, so this is the amount that I stored, and I actually divided this into half. So I'm going to take half of that solution and I'm adding my oil. I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of this powder to 4 ounces of coconut oil, and I'm just going to mix the coconut oil in it. If you don't want to use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, you can use any other oil that you want. And this is my favorite. I love using coconut oil for it, but if coconut oil doesn't work for your hair, please do use any other oil. You can even infuse this in castor oil, pretty much any kind of oil, and you're going to store it for 7 days. And the reason why is that you want the powder to really mix in with the oil, and you get this pomade looking appearance if you use coconut oil. Now if you use other kind of oils, it's not going to look like this. It's just going to be like pure oil. And when I touch it, I'm so sorry, my camera went blurry on me, but it's just clear, and this is what it looks like. This is going to be the base for your mango seed butter. So all you just do is you take this oil and you can mix it with shea butter, any other cocoa butter, and that is how you make your mango seed oil butter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to watch these other videos, and if you like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.